Hey guys, it's Kathy. Today we are going to be playing a game called Kitten Cat Simulator. So yeah, we are playing Kitten Cat Simulator, and I will leave my sister's, my twins, YouTube channel down in the description below. If it did not work, because she has a friend named Justin or something, and it did not work well for him. So, click on the link in the description, or just search it up. Whatever you want to do. So, yeah. Oh, my mom was playing this. I meant to say my friend was playing this. Her name is Anna. So, yes, that is my name, Kathy. You know, it might be a nickname or something, but it's Kathy. First choice is right back. I might have to pause the video for a second. Okay, I'm back from the pause. Ew! All these basics. So it's survival. I hate the survival ones. They're so mean. I'm gonna be a boy. I'm gonna be Curio. I can't say the name right. Oh, okay, I remembered it. It's Caruso. But it is Kathrine's boyfriend. So yes, Caruso is Kathrine's boyfriend. So yeah. Let's join that server I saw. As a boy. I hate boys. I really do not like boys. They're so annoying. I'm never going to get a boyfriend. Never ever. I am not joining that server. So yes, I am never going to join that server that's called Who Wants a Boyfriend? Heck not. So I am going to watch some videos from my sisters. For a second, I gotta pause the video again in a little bit. Wait, oh my god, my tablet's squishy. Laggy, badaggy, badlaggy, badlaggy, blaggy, jaggy. Of course, this will be a fake. It's gonna be a fake? No. Let's say hi to Mango. Hi, Mango! I was expecting this to be Kathrine, but whatever. Be right back, guys. I'm gonna pause the video so it's quick. Okay, guys, I'm back. Wait, what happened to Mango? Did he leave while I was gone? Also, if you hear crunching, because I'm eating a cookie. I had to go find my sister so I could beg her for cookies. Gotta change it back to Kathy. Oh no. A lot of people joined that game in like a minute. From there, from there. I'm just doing all these basics. My back gotta hurt me. Why is it so laggy? Oh, there he is. This isn't Baldi's basic. I gotta leave. Yeah! Yes! I actually can get into that server. Damn, whatever. Wow. The kitty. Bad luck. Deadpool. Mob. One, two, three, four. Okay. I gotta go. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.